In today's video, I'll show you how to sell USDT on OKX. First, launch your OKX mobile application and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. From there, select P2P Trading under Manage Assets, and then click on the P2P at the top. Once you click on it, by default, you'll land on the Buy section. Just tap Sell at the top, and now you'll see a list of merchants ready to buy your USDT in your local currency. For example, I live in Pakistan, so it shows rupees. But if your currency isn't correct, just tap the top right corner and choose your preferred one. Next, add your payment method. Tap the profile icon at the bottom. Once you are there, then tap Payment at the bottom. Once there, and hit Add Payment Method option. After that, select your method, like bank account or debit card, and enter the details. Once your payment method is set up, head back to the Sell tab. Choose a merchant, tap Sell, and enter the amount of USDT you want to sell. Confirm everything, and you're done. Your USDT will be transferred to your bank account shortly after the transaction completes. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.